Welcome to Starkon International, where we turn business into stories anyone can understand. Today, we're talking about a company that doesn't make smartphones or snacks, but something even more important, the pipes and steel that build our cities. Meet Jai Balaji Industries Limited. They're not flashy, but they're quietly helping India grow, 1 ton of steel at a time. From water pipelines to bridges, their products are everywhere, even if you've never heard their name. Let's break it down. Jai Balaji makes DIpipes. These are strong pipes used to carry water underground. Think of them like the veins of a city. Ferro Alloys. These are special ingredients added to steel to make it stronger, like adding vitamins to your food. TMT Bars. These are the bones of buildings and bridges. Pig iron, billets, sponge iron. These are raw materials used to make other steel products. And recently, they've started making OPVC pipes, lighter pipes used in smaller water systems. Their biggest customers, government projects like Jal Jeevan Mission and Amrit. But Jai Balaji's journey wasn't smooth. In 2022, they couldn't pay a transport bill of 4.7 crore. The court said, let's shut the company down. That's serious. But SBI, their bank, said, wait, we believe they can recover. The court agreed and canceled the shutdown order. This wasn't just luck, it was a turning point. It shows that even big companies face trouble, but smart decisions and support can save them. After that, Jai Balaji got serious. They reduced their debt from 871 crore to just 221 crore. That's like a family paying off their home loan early. And they didn't borrow more, they used their own earnings. With less debt, they had more freedom to grow. They started expanding their factories to make more pipes and steel. In business, less debt means more control, and Jai Balaji understood that. Let's talk money. In FY25, Jai Balaji earned 19,000 rupees profit per ton of DIpipes, 20,000 rupees per ton of Ferro Alloys, 4,000 rupees for TMT Bars and pig iron, 2,000 rupees for billets, DIpipes, and Ferro Alloys. DIpipes and Ferro Alloys are their most profitable products. They expect DIpipe profits to go up to 23,000 rupees to 24,000 rupees per ton next year. That's like selling lemonade for 10 rupees and making 4 rupees profit, except they're selling thousands of tons. Why are DIpipes so important? Because India is building water systems for every home. Jal Jeevan Mission aims to give tap water to every household by 2028. MRUT 2.0 improves water systems in cities. Ken Betwa River Project connects rivers to share water. Jai Balaji already has orders for 1.45 lakh tons of DIpipes. That's like having your bakery booked for the whole year. And as more states get funding, more orders will come. This is not just business, it's nation building. They also started making OPVC pipes. These are lighter and cheaper, but not as strong. Jai Balaji spent just 25 crore to test this. It's like adding cupcakes to your cake shop, just to see if people like them. DIpipes are still their main business. OPVC is just a side experiment, for now. Even now, there are challenges. Government payments are slow, which affects cash flow. DIpipe prices dropped by 5 to 6% due to low demand. A machine from China got delayed, slowing their ferro alloy expansion. Working capital increased because inventory piled up. But Jai Balaji is handling it well. They're like a student who keeps studying even when the lights go out. They're focused, disciplined, and patient. So what's next? In FY26, Jai Balaji plans to grow revenue by 25 to 30%, increase profit margins to 16 to 17%, make 4 lakh tons of DIpipes. They're also finishing a 1,000 crore expansion plan. And they're doing it without borrowing, just using profits. That's like upgrading your kitchen using savings instead of loans. Smart, right? Their capex strategy is simple but powerful. Expand only where margins are high. Use internal cash, not loans. Focus on DIpipes and Ferro Alloys. They're not chasing trends, they're building long-term value. That's rare in today's market, and it's why investors are paying attention. Jai Balaji isn't just making steel. They're helping build India's future, one pipe, one bridge, one project at a time. They've faced problems, solved them, and now they're growing again. Their products are in your city, your school, maybe even your home. And they're doing it with discipline, not hype. That's what makes them special. So is Jai Balaji Industries a smart investment? They have strong products, smart leadership, and big opportunities ahead. They're not chasing headlines, they're building quietly. And sometimes, quiet builders make the biggest impact. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. This is Starkon International, making business stories simple and powerful. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive videos.